Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix the computer restarted unexpectedly, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to click on Start menu, or you can click on the search option, then type here regedit. You can see a registry editor. Just click on that, click on use to allow. Guys, in this you will find HKey local machine. Double click on HKey local machine. After that you will find system. Double click and expand system. After that, under system you will find setup. You can see here setup. Double click on the setup and expand. After that you will find status. You can see here status. Double click on status. After that you will see child completion. Just double click on the child completion. Right click on the setup final task. Click on modify. And if here value is 0 or 1, make sure the value should be 3. Just type 3. Just click on OK and close this window. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.